Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I stopped in there to grab a few things that I will show you in a minute and mention why. And of course, I saw a ton of other fun things that were new. So, yes, first off, I did get this Happily Ever After bag. I'm going to film on top of this. And look at the beautiful flowers. Oh my. Yes, it's absolutely stunning. I even thought about cutting that out and framing it, because if you're watching my channel, you obviously know my name on YouTube is Happily Ever After 99. Yes, my husband came up with that name. I did get a couple food items. We got the fudge striped shortbread cookies, 13 ounces. There's a lot of cookies in here for $1. You really can't beat it. And then I also picked up the Wonder Bread classic hot dog buns. There's 8 in here, and you really cannot beat this deal for $1. They are so unbelievably soft. And I did have the Great Value buns, but they've actually been recalled in my area, and yes, we're not going to chance that. So isn't that so cute? Okay, moving on. We did get a couple of things in like the toy aisle. Connor picked out these grow creatures. He loves this kind of stuff, especially during the summer, and he can leave it in the pool. And he likes to come back and see how much they grew. So I do think that's super fun. He wanted the fish and the octopus this time. He got a mermaid the last time we went. He also got a red glittery top hat because he loves to dress up. He loves hats. And yes, that's just, he got it. He got it. So I did get a few bundles of flowers. So the first one I got is these red peonies. Peonies? However you say that. And they're really beautiful. And then to go with those, I did pick up the cherry blossom swag here. And it's just got little bitty cherry blossom blooms on there. And then paired together, I'm actually, because I do make cakes and stuff sometimes. I always do Connor's parties and stuff. My mom asked me if I could make a small wedding cake. And it literally just has to be big enough for 10 people. And I think I have enough skill to do that. I will maybe post a video or pictures or something on my YouTube channel if anyone's interested in that. And she wanted to do red. So I thought these flowers are really cute. Going in paired with the cake, that picture that she actually sent me that she wants me to try to recreate. So I have the flowers for that now. And then I did get a bundle of this wheat to go in with my fall decor. And I just loved this so much. So I've definitely grabbed that. And then, just let's move right into the fall stuff then. And I did pick up this thankful plaque. The sides of that. Also has a place where you can hang it on the wall. I'm just going to use it on the shelf. But I adore this. Like, Dollar Tree is so stepping up. Like, oh my. And then they had tons of these wooden pumpkins to choose from. But I just really love what this one said. And I love that it was orange. And they're just nice wooden, like, pumpkin decor. Pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. They had a black one that said, like, blessed, thankful, and grateful, I believe. And I absolutely adore that one. But all of the ones, they were like messed up in my store. So moving on, I meant to show this with the toy item. Did get this giant coloring and activity book, Doggy Days is what it's called. I'm still searching for Hotel Transylvania. Just a bit of a bummer that I cannot find that one anywhere. We did pick up the Trolls and Minions book last time, and me and Connor have demolished those books. Like, we've been bit by a coloring bug, and we've been coloring every day to the point where we're going to need some new markers, pencils, and crayons. But it just has a bunch of cute little doggy pictures in here, and I thought that would be fun for us to color through as well. Yes, oh, look how cute he is. But we love dogs. We have 2 dogs, we have 2 dogs, Cujo and Oscar. I almost said Punk. He is the dog that I had since I was 15 years old. He got really sick, and yes, unfortunately he did pass away quite some time ago. Yes, that was a very hard pill to swallow, because that dog meant so much to me and had been through everything together. Like my almost entire high school and dating and marriage and moving out and all this stuff. And then, yes, so yeah, it's still sad. Punk's also the daddy to Cujo. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, anyways, I'll put in a picture of my cute little sweet doggy. He is a Chihuahua mixed with a Jack Russell. I did get a candle and I got watermelon lemonade, and this does smell good. It's not super strong, but anything watermelon lemonade, I just had to grab it. And I did get some stuff in the house kind of section. Connor loves to drink out of water bottles like this, and he has the Paw Patrol and he has a Minions one, and he has one other one, but I cannot remember for the life of me what's on it. It might have Paw Patrol on it as well. Either way, he liked this cup a lot, so we just went ahead and grabbed another one. These are and they're perfect to carry in the car too. This one's a little bit big, but it's 25 fluid ounces, but that's okay. Just a big fan of water bottles. And then I don't know if I can fit all this in the frame, but I did get another one of those giant containers. And it's the 2500 milliliter over 2 liter canister, and I just really like these for cereal storage. So it's 2.83 liters. So I grabbed that, and then I also needed some, and I have no idea, do you guys lose stuff too like this? I have no idea what happened to the rest of my little spoons, like this, and I have one and it's blue, and Connor calls it the Kool-Aid spoon. And I use it for everything, but I let him help me make Kool-Aid with it. So to him, it's the Kool-Aid spoon. So I did pick up a 4-pack of these mixing spoons. I prefer the plastic, the wood, because things get stuck and nasty, grimy in the wood, and I like the plastic best. And then I did get a paddle cutting board, and I just needed a new one. I have an orange, a wooden, and a red one, and honestly, the orange one is just, it's had its time. It's ready to move on. So I needed a new cutting board, because I like one for fruits, meats, veggies, things like that. Do different purposes on them. Okay, and then I found some really cute beauty finds. I did get one of these Skuncy brand scrunchies, and I wear my hair up a lot. You see in my videos, my hair is so thick and curly, and it is just murder in the summer. So I just picked up one of these. It's so cute. It's like mermaidy, iridescent. I don't know, just loving it. Speaking of mermaid stuff, my store finally got these cute makeup brushes, and they had all of them, but the one that I'd been wanting forever is this just mermaid tail one. I just want this. I think it would be good for contour possibly, so we shall see. I'm excited to try that. And then the last few things, last but not least, as always, I did get some new stationery items, and I always buy my planners at DollarTree. I did a whole series a long while back of planner series doing DollarTree style. Now I'll link that playlist below if you're interested. You can still use some of the ideas, and basically just planned with me, and I done a planner up like this. I love these student planners. No, I'm not a student, but to keep track of doctor appointments and things like that, and mine is getting ready to run out, obviously. That's why they have the new ones out anyways. And I just love this style. You have these big spots where you can write in a ton of different stuff, a grocery list, whatever you want. And then you have the monthly thing. And I also write stuff in these little small squares as well. You can put notes. I just love it. There's all kinds of different colors. They had tons of different designs to choose from, but the one that spoke to me most was the one with the penguin and the flamingo and the donut and the cactus. That one was so cute, but I thought that was a little summery. This one's a little summery as well, but I feel like for all year round, I don't know, I just really love this floral print. And then new in the school aisle, this is the last two items. I had hoped to find these ink couture pens, and I hope that I got a good batch. But they have food on them. So you have like your lattes, your espressos, your donuts and cookies or whatever, bubble tea, and burgers, tacos, hot dogs, pizza, and ice cream on this one. And this one has like rainbows, clouds, umbrellas, sun, sunglasses, things like that. But overall, they're pastel, and that one that has the food on it in the middle, oh my goodness, it's so adorable. So with that same food print on there, I did pick up a notebook, a spiral notebook from Jot, and this has 70 sheets, and I believe that it is, yeah, it's kind of wide ruled, but I got this to write down requests and grocery list and whatever I felt like writing down, because honestly this is too cute to pass up, and I thought that if I didn't grab it now, if I waited, it probably wouldn't be there the next time I go. That's how Dollar Tree is. It's like, oh yeah, I don't really need it or whatever, but honestly, I need this. So yes, that's the haul from Dollar Tree. Hope you guys enjoyed another Dollar Tree haul. Oh, I did get a pack of paper plates as well. So those are right here. I'd set them on the stove. But yes, that is all for the haul. I found some really fun finds and I had to share with you guys. So stay tuned for more hauls and reviews, and I will link a ton of Dollar Tree links below to keep you busy forever. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming content. And thank you always for watching.